All right, dudes, if you're having issues updating your device to iOS 18 and it keeps failing, I have some fixes that should take care of the problem. Obviously, it is essential to ensure you have the latest features, security updates, and bug fixes, which is why you need iOS 18. However, sometimes the update process may not go as smoothly as expected because the Apple gods are against you. If you encounter issues while trying to update your iOS device, don't panic because I've got you. Here are some quick fixes to take care of the problem. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading and installing iOS updates. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi as updates can be large and require a stable connection to avoid interruptions. Second, free up storage space. iOS updates require a certain amount of free storage space to download and install. If your device doesn't have enough space, the update will fail. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage to see how much space is available. Delete unnecessary apps, photos, videos, and other files to free up space. Next, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. If you're still having issues, try to reset network settings. Sometimes network settings can cause issues with downloading updates. Resetting these settings can help. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them handy. Also, disable any VPN you're using if you are using one. If you are using a VPN, it may interfere with the update process. Disable any active VPN connections and try updating again. Lastly, check Apple's system status. Occasionally, Apple's servers may experience issues that can affect the update process. Visit the Apple System Status page to check if there are any reported problems with iOS updates. If there are, you may need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. Anyways, I hope one of these tips helps you guys out. Please tap that like if you made it until the end. Subscribe for more, and we will see you all in the next video.